Mirage Rebuild Factory was conceived in 1974 for in-country overhauling of Mirage aircraft and has ever since evolved into a center of excellence for maintenance, repair, and overhaul of military aircraft and jet engines. Is duly certified by Dassault Aviation of France. The process begins with the complete disassembly of the aircraft. The parts, components, and accessories removed from the aircraft are routed to specialized setups for complete strip-up, stringent inspections, and comprehensive repairs as per the overhaul manuals. During the process, the components that can be repaired undergo extensive repair procedures. In case the parts cannot be repaired through any of the repair schemes, they are replaced to ensure perfect health of the aircraft. After the assembly, the operation of each component is verified by extensive testing. The operation of these components is simulated on specially designed testers. These testers replicate close to actual operating conditions which these components experience on a flying aircraft. Results of testing achieved on these components are strictly monitored, and it is ensured that the achieved results are within the prescribed limit set by the manufacturer. The highly precise components requiring overhauling in dust-free environment are overhauled in a special facility. Atmosphere in this facility is cleaned continuously to achieve the required air cleanliness standards. The overhauling of aircraft is never complete without repairing and replacing the worn-out hydraulic and fuel pipes. MRF has established a 5-axis CNC-controlled pipe bending and fabrication facility capable of automatically modeling and manufacturing all aircraft hydraulic or fuel pipes. The modeling software interprets model of pipe. The fabrication module uses the interpreted design to prepare new pipes of required dimensions and angles from straight lengths of pipes. To achieve self-reliance, MRF embarked upon the uphill task of establishing the all-encompassing setup for overhauling of engines of Mirage aircraft. Duly certified by SNECMA of France, the engine overhaul setup has become the backbone of Mirage fleet operations of Pakistan Air Force. Like the Mirage aircraft, the Atar engine is also stripped down to individual components. All components undergo a thorough cleaning process to remove the contaminants accumulated during the flight on aircraft. The cleaned parts undergo non-destructive inspections to identify the existing defects. Highly specialized radiographic inspection techniques identify even the minutest cracks existing in the parts. The radiographic machine is equipped with a robotic arm to position the part for accurate identification of subsurface cracks. An elaborate setup of specialist NDI techniques is available for identifying the microscopic imperfections in aircraft and engine parts. Non-destructive inspections are also aided by a semi-automated eddy current inspection machine. The machine runs its probes on the predefined geometry of the part and identify the existing defects. Use of the automated probes eliminate the chances of human error. Crack identification on the ferrous parts is also carried out by a state-of-the-art magnetic particle inspection machine to identify the subsurface cracks. Over a span of more than 30 years, MRF has inducted numerous state-of-the-art technologies for maintenance and manufacturing of aviation parts. High-velocity, oxy-fuel and plasma coating techniques are used for seamless build-up the parts that wear out during the operation of the jet engines. Parts reclaimed by these techniques are given a new life, and they get ready to be installed on the engines for the next span of their operation on the engine. Pakistan National Accreditation Council and ISO 17025 certified precision measuring equipment laboratory is providing calibration services to keep the overhaul equipment ready to make precise measurements. Overhauling the engine accessories is a vital support setup required for successful overhaul of any jet engine. Pakistan National Accreditation Council and ISO 17025 certified precision measuring equipment laboratory is providing calibration services to keep the overhaul equipment ready to make precise measurements. Overhauling the engine accessories is a vital support setup required for successful overhaul of any jet engine. Meeting up to the requirement, MRF has set up an elaborate system for overhauling the accessories. The process begins with completely stripping up the accessory to the basic components. The components undergo a series of elaborate cleaning and inspection steps, and the defective components are identified. As per the nature of defects, either the components are repaired or replaced, and then the accessories are finally assembled. The final step of overhaul is comprehensive testing of the accessories. On the last leg of its overhaul journey, the engine is tested on the multi-engine test cell. The test cell is capable of testing various types of overhauled engines from idle to their maximum thrust in afterburner settings. Closed-circuit cameras enable monitoring of engines with highest accuracy to determine minutest flaws or fuel leaks to ensure highest levels of reliability. The test cell control room gives complete controlling and monitoring capability to the technicians running the engine. The technicians operate the engine on virtually every power setting and check all the critical operation parameters. After satisfying all the required standards, the engine is declared fit for installation on a fighter jet. The capability of the Mirage Rebuild Factory has been enhanced over the years to overhaul the engines of other military fighter and transport aircraft. In the same pursuit, a Rolls-Royce certified facility has been established for overhauling the T-56 engine of C-130 aircraft. A continuous endeavor to enhance capabilities has led to establishment of a state-of-the-art aviation overhauling facility for TFE-731 Honeywell engine of K-8 aircraft. After thorough ground studies, the first TFE-731 engine has been inducted in MRF for overhaul. In 1989, realizing the requirement of PAF to maintain newly inducted F-16 aircraft, MRF assumed the huge undertaking of establishing the overhauling setup for F-100 engines of F-16 aircraft. Pratt & Whitney's certified overhaul facility not only looks after all modules of F-100 engine, but also upgrades 200 type engines to more powerful 220E type engine, and has upgraded the entire F-100 engines fleet of Pakistan Air Force. The ISO 9001-2008 Revision C compliant, elaborate setup of quality control and assurance programs monitor the overhaul process for any possible deviations. The outsourcing of Boeing parts manufacturing to MRF is a testimony of the professional appeal MRF enjoys. Over the years, MRF has become a blend of state-of-the-art facilities, outfitted to embark upon aviation-related MRO requirements from anywhere, whether local or abroad. Self-reliance, professionalism and commitment remain the sole guiding inspirations for MRF.